I know you will, you always do, stand in true justice, the purest purpose, with eyes of a poet, hands of a sculptor, unaffiliated, free from this culture that scars as it heals, scorns as it praises, skillfully infects the minutest species. Although not a victim, not a servant or slave, I was born unto here, I have my own grave. I dream of you often, and my need to impair gifts you possessed, and chose not to share. Now made metaphor, what nature reclaims, each glorious house, content in its flames. Thorns in my head, glass in my feet, I walk through remnants that mourn in the heat, until solely to you I kneel and confess. Less will be more, and more will be less. I know you will, you always do, stand in true fairness, the noblest purpose, with eyes of an artist, hands of a worker, beautiful, impartial, outside this sad future.